Hey guys, we are in week 30 of a 52-week challenge, and today I want to talk about the most frequent questions that people have asked about the challenge. To start with, the most common question I hear of late is, can I start now? If I missed out the first week of January, can I still join the challenge? And of course, you can still join the challenge. We are in week 30 and you have two choices here. One, you can start from week 30 till week 52, or you could start from week 1, which happened on the first week of January, and then aim to catch up before the 52nd week. And how do you start the 52-week challenge? First, you download the Moneybox app. It's on the Google Play Store for the people on Android. And if you're on Apple, I'll put a link to the manual worksheet where you can customize your 52-week challenge savings. Once you download the app, register, set it up, and then the app will remind you every week how much you need to save. Now, if you want to catch up, of course, you will need to keep saving more than the weekly amounts to catch up. If not, just save from week 30 to 52, and then we'll start again afresh on the 1st of January 2020. So yes, you can start today. The second question is for people who've maybe had a need and they withdrew their money. They want to know, if I withdrew, can I resume the 52-week challenge? Look, we don't save just for the sake of it. One purpose of saving is so that that money can be there for us when we need it. So if you withdrew your savings, don't feel like you failed the challenge. The money met the need it was supposed to meet. And so pick it right back up and start saving, and save what you can till the end of the year. And then the third question that I've been asked is whether one can save more than 68,900 for the year. Now, 68,900 is a target amount for people who are on the 50 bob challenge. And of course, you can save more. You can save as much as you can. I have one follower who is targeting to save 1.3 million bob for the year, and they are doing pretty well with that. So don't stress. If you want to save more than 68,900, just set the target on your Moneybox app and start depositing the money. And then the other question I've been asked is whether one can save less than 68,900. You know the answer to that. Of course, you can save less than 68,900. You can do even the 10 bob savings challenge, or the 20 bob savings challenge, or the 25 bob savings challenge, whatever you have. The most important thing is for us to nurture or inculcate that savings habit in ourselves. Then the other question I've been asked is whether the money saved on M-Shwari grows. Yes, it does. The M-Shwari Lock Savings Account acts like any other savings account, and it has interest rates of between 4% to 6%, depending on the period that you've locked the money in there. So the longer you lock it, the more the interest that you start earning. And then finally, question of how do the bonuses work? Now this year, because we have partnered with M-Shwari, they have been giving some lucky winners bonuses. We started with the 3rd month, then we did the 6th month, end of June. We'll be doing the 9th month bonus end of September, and the 12th month bonus end of December. Now, these are the conditions that M-Shwari has given. 1, you must have started the 52-week challenge at the beginning of the year. 2, your target that you set on your M-Shwari Lock Savings account should be at least 68,900. 3, you must hit your target as per the milestones. And then every milestone, they pick 2,000 people and they give them a surprise deposit. I don't know how those 2,000 people are picked. I think they are picked at random. And it's just a nice surprise to get that deposit. The other condition that they've given is that once you win once, you cannot win again. And this is to give as many people a chance to win as possible. But remember, guys, we're not doing this for the interest. We're not doing this for the winnings. We're doing this to create in us that savings habit, and it will serve us well for life. With that, remember to make the savings for the week. Until next time, bye.